Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You are on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a Primark haul. I haven't bought one of these for a very long time. I try and minimally go to Primark every couple of months if I can, or the nearest place that we can go to Primark. It's gonna be a goodie today. I'd say it's good. It's gonna be a goodie. It's gonna be a goodie. Before we get into the video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff, which is, if you like the video, then please give the video a massive thumbs up, because it tells me what you guys like and you want to see. And if you like this content, then it tells me that a lot more than I can see. So if you are new and this is your first video you are watching from me, welcome. You can subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button and joining the little YouTube journey I've got going on here and the little love family. So hit the subscribe button and subscribe to tazwells12. You can comment down below on the video. So say if you like a piece of item or any advice I did give you, then please comment down below and we can have a conversation and you may advise me of something that's great in Primark too. The last thing is, I just want to say that I am not sponsored by Primark. This is out of my own money, and some of the stuff that I did like when I went in there, and you guys may like it too, so it's just a nice video, but none of it is sponsored by Primark or any of the brands I do show you. It is all out of my own money. I just want to say to the existing subscribers and the people that are joining, then thank you very much. It means the world to me, and I can see that a few more of you are joining, so that's great. That is it. Now, me stop rambling. Let's get on to the Primark haul sort of lookbook showing. I just want to say that I have got my receipt here. Got my Primark receipt. It's not just any old receipt, it does say actually Primark. Probably I'll go through this, but they have normally got the prices on them. So in case any of the prices have changed, it will be on here, but I will be going mostly from the clothing. Let's dip into my bag of Primark. So this is the stuff I got from Primark in here. I haven't got a Primark bag, I use my own bags, and everyone should be doing that. I know Primark bags are good for the environment because they are like sustainable, but at the end of the day, if you can use your own, then use your own. So let's dip into this bag. First item of clothing I'm going to show you. I absolutely love these, and I got this from an idea from another YouTuber. I love these. I saw them on there and I was like, wow, I love a good legging, but I love like gym leggings as well. Like the feel of them, the support of them, they're great. I went in Primark and found a pair, and I bought a pair and I absolutely love it. And the thing with Primark, I buy one pair, and at the moment I do that sometimes because we can't try them on and it's a little bit hard. But I went in there and got one of a pair of these and I absolutely loved it, so I bought two more this time. They are, like, if I can come back, they are just these gym leggings, but they are great. I've got on the tag, they are from the workout range. I got mine in a size medium, which is a 12 to 14. Small, I think, would be too tight, and you want them tight. The only problem is they are a little bit baggy, so they do clench down here. So every so often you do have to pull them up, like leggings. Leggings are annoying in that state as well. But I don't want them too clench into my body because honestly, it just won't look nice. I got them in a size medium, which is 12 to 14. They've got euros on here, I don't know why. And there is a price I will tell you in a moment. I don't know why they've got that. So they are features, they are quick dry, breathable, recycled, 4-way stretch. They are made with recycled polyester as well from the Primark Cares range. So they're just like this. They've got a little label on the back, so you know what is the back, because that's got the label there, so I'm classing that as the back. But yeah, they're just this like ribbed material, and they are great. They cling to you great. Like once you've worn these about 2 or 3 times, they are fantastic. They do climb down a little bit, like I said. I think that's because I get my size in a bit bigger because I love them. They are absolutely high-waisted. See that bit from here, this line to up there? They're high-waisted, so they're great. So they cling onto the bits that you want. perfect, love these. And when I went in there last time, they only had 2 pairs, which I grabbed both of them because they're great. I think they're about £6, but I will check now. So they're classed on the receipt as a SFFL legging, which is £6. 2 leggings for £12. I love these. And I can wear these casual with like a little top in that. Love them, great. I will show you them all. These are the gym leggings. Let's come back. These are really, really comfortable. Like I said, they are really, really high. Like literally, that is up on my stomach. That's the highest. These in a medium. They maybe look a little lumpy and bumpy on me, but for someone that's really tiny, you probably would need the small. But I really like these, and I think they're really flattering if you have like a jumper like this or a little nice top on. Lovely. The next item, I'm more into my basic colours, so a good like khaki green I've got on. This is from Primark. I've had these for ages. These are lovely, these jumpers. I absolutely love them. They're great. I've got them in many, many colours. I've gone like into the basic colours at the moment. I don't know if that's because I am getting a little bit older. I love a burst of colour, don't get me wrong. Most colours are like browns, like dark browns, chocolates, blacks, greys, and like a sort of beigey colours. That's what I'm all into more, and sort of like natural colours like this. I don't know why. I don't know what's happened. Like a bit of colour too, don't get me wrong, but for basics, I love this. So I saw this little sort of bodysuit t-shirt, and I absolutely loved it. I think they did have like a baby blue of this, and I would have got that because I saw that in someone else's haul. But they had the beige, and I was like, yes, I'm into that. So this is from the PRIMAKR range again, made to use organic cotton. I got mine in a size medium. And this is a 12 to 14, and it was £5. And I just love the basics of it, because you put it on with joggers, you could put it on the leggings. I just love this. Why I got it in a bit bigger size, because normally I go for a small, which is an 8 to 10, and sometimes they can be overcrowding for a t-shirt. But when I looked at the 8 to 10, it looked a bit too snug. So I got it a bit bigger because I wanted a bit baggy, so you can wear this in like the winter time, because if you have it too clinging, and with these colours you can normally again get sweat marks, and it just looks like not very nice. So I thought if I go for a bit baggy, and I love this beige colour because this is a staple piece. You could wear this with a nice skirt to go out in one evening. You could wear it with leather leggings. Literally, this was just beautiful. And I had to pick this t-shirt bodysuit is exactly what I want. So basically I haven't done it up. All I've done, undone it and just like pushed it in to my trousers like that. That's what I sometimes do with it, or I will do it up, but this is what I wanted. So basically I went for the size up because I wanted it like a bit more room, and that's what it's given me. So like it's really, really baggy, so it's nice. And obviously I've got a little top underneath, so that's keeping all that safe. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. It's a really, really nice top and really nice bodysuit again. The next item I brought, and I've got absolutely loads of them, but the joggers I had were going a bit out of colour. So these ones are from Primark, but you can see that the colours are going out of them. But I can't get this style again, so I don't know what's happened. Kind of change the styles every so often. But I went and got some more in the £5 range, and I was absolutely great with these because I love these £5 ranges. And I noticed a load of other people in this because they have like joggers on the hangers. They're just a bit like, a little bit expensive for what they are, but these joggers are great. They're just folded up on like a stand. I get my size in a small because I looked at the medium and the small. And small is great, like the small is just about enough. It's nice and snug, but not like too overpowering and not too like clenching, if that makes sense. These are from PRIMAKR, made using sustainable cotton again, size small. This is a 10 to 12, so like that. So it's just got this gathered bit at the top, elasticated. You can pull it in by the little tie bit. It's got 2 pockets, and then you've got like cuffed bottom. Love these. I use them for work because obviously I'm working from home at the moment. I use these all the time, but black is great. I did get a cream, but I don't like cream on my bottom half. I don't know why. It doesn't suit me. I just don't like it. I got some black ones, and these are only £5, so definitely check them out. And I got 2 more pairs to go with it because I will wear joggers out in a supermarket or something like that, because if it looks nice and they look tidy, then why not? At the end of the day, like, go comfy. Like, I don't do it all the time, but if you want to be comfy, then get the £5 joggers. These are the joggers are £5. Honestly, they are amazing. So these are good quality. They've got 2 little string bits like this, and yeah, they're really nice, and you can tie them up and tie it as tight as you want for your waist. So it's really nice. Got 2 little pockets. These are just the black ones. So come back. You probably could see where I've got them on, but they come down really nice. They close into your leg really nice, and look nice as well. Next out the bag, I've got some items that I actually have already. One of them I got already one colour of, and then I wanted a normal neutral colour again, so it's this. I love these jumpers so much, and these are great as well. They're like these little sweatshirt jumpers. Brilliant jumpers, honestly the best thing. These are £5, and they did them in multiple like colours. I've got like a darker blue, I've got a like camel colour, a khaki green, I've got a light grey, but I bought a new light grey one, and I'll show you in 2 seconds, because these literally, the light grey one went for funny, I don't know why, but they had a black one and I really like it. But as you can see, I've actually gone for an extra small. It was £5, so this is great. But the extra small seem to be like, I like them sort of not like cropped, but I like them a little bit more tighter on my body, just in case. But I thought I'd get a black one because they're really nice. So I picked a black one up for a change. Then I also picked another light grey one up in the same extra small. I was really lucky because they were all in extra smalls. I love a grey one already. This is really a nice colour, nice neutral colour, because I wear this colour all the time. You can wear it jeans, trackies, anything, leggings. Love these jumpers, literally like for a £5. I think they're great too, like the joggers. But yeah, I got the black and the grey. I wanted to replace the grey one because, like I said, it went bubbly, so I might get rid of that other one, or keep that other one as like a hair dyeing top or something like that. These are great, and I really like this. This one I wish I got 2 of, because I think this is going to be like a new top that I would wear quite a bit actually, and I kind of wish I got 2, because I can see myself like picking this up like quite a lot, in case I just want to put a jumper on, just go somewhere casual, and it's just that nice black, so it'll go with everything. But I wish I picked 2 of these up, but never mind, we've got one. Here's the grey top. This is the little jumper, so sometimes if I wear these I will crop them up like that. But this is what it is. Like I said, you can wear it with, take that off, wear it with jeans, leggings, whatever, but this is what it is. Now we're just onto the last couple of bits, so I might join these a little bit together because I can't really show you them all. It's just a bra. So this is the bra that I got from Secret Possessions for wearing your own way, multi-way bra. These are £4. So basically you'll see on the back, so you can do all these different sort of positions with this bra, which I think they're really good, and they're not too padded. I don't like a really padded bra. I like a little bit, but not like massively padded. I just don't like that. But these bras are really comfy. I got one in a white a little while ago, but yeah, they're really great for like wearing like the Zara like racer tops, or if you've got strappy tops on, or if you've got a halter neck on. Brilliant tops. I keep one of these because I always forget what you can do with it. Do a classic, which is obviously normal, low back, so you actually can put your back straps a little bit lower down into a crissy-crossy. And then you can do a halter neck, which is great for the racer tops. A one strap, like if you have a one strap top, I do actually have some one strap tops, and then you can do strapless. So yeah, and they're really good little support as well for the middle, but lovely little bra. So that's that black bra. And I saw these little tops, so these tops were really nice. They're for bed actually, so they're in the bed range, but some people have been wearing these as just normal crop tops to go out and that. I haven't tried mine on completely, so I need to try that, but I got mine in a size small, and these were only £3, so I got it in the black. We didn't have many colours in ours, so we had black, I think there was black, light pink, white, maybe like a bluey colour, but yeah, so I'm going to try this on and see what it's like, but it will literally just be for bed. But it's just like this ribbed fabric, and it looks really comfy. If I wore that to bed and just put that for the summer, that'd be lovely, just for a pair of shorts or your normal gym jam bottoms, that'd be absolutely great. So that was that. The last item I got from this Primark haul was this sunglass case, and this was £2.50, and it's just a black. They did have like a nudie colour as well, like a beigey colour, but I thought it's really cute because it's got this little golden heart on it, which I absolutely love, and it's soft. It's absolutely lovely. Why I got this was because my Ray-Ban case is a disaster. Literally, I don't know what's happened to it, but like literally all the back of it's broken. So I needed a good case to like use again. So if we take this off, we'll attach, so I can't, but basically this is soft. Like, look how soft that is, and that's great, and that's what I wanted. So I'll put my Ray-Bans in there because I like to keep them safe, because they are expensive sunglasses and I like to keep them nice. This is great, I will put them in there, but yeah, the other one is just completely gone. I'm gonna have to chuck it. I hate doing that because Ray-Ban on, but the little logo's gone. I've had them for about 3 or 4 years, maybe more, so they've definitely gone. Yeah, I've got a new little case for them. That was everything in this Primark haul. I hope that you did like it. There's some good little nice little neutral bits in here I did get this time. I didn't really see a lot. I think it may be because when Primark opened, it was the first time I went in there, and I literally wrote a list of what I need to get. Otherwise, if I go in there, I will end up spending more money than I need to. I just put the basics down that I needed from lockdown, and that's what we got for, but I really like them. I hope that you liked the video, and I hope you liked the products I did show you. If you did, then give it a massive thumbs up, because it really helps me out and it helps me know what you guys like and want to see. Also, like I said, if you are new, then hit the subscribe button and subscribe to tazwells12. Join my little YouTube journey and the little love family we've got going on here. And also, I am not sponsored by Primark. This is all out of my own money, but sponsored by any of this. So, and like the last thing is actually out this, you can comment down below if you liked any items, or if you've seen something that you think I might like, then definitely tell me and I will check that out next time. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for supporting as always, and have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.